Hi, Archie. Look who's here, your friend Jason. And Sherry, your favorite.
Hi. Very good boy.
It's countertop day. I never thought I would be so excited about countertops, but these are very special. These are coming from the Greenville Soapstone Company here in Ontario, but the soapstone itself is imported from Brazil, and it's called Stormy Black. Perfect. We're on the lake and it gets pretty stormy. It's very dark. The darker it is, apparently, the harder it is, which is a good thing. It's not porous, it's low maintenance, it's wonderful to touch. There's no special maintenance required, but you can treat it with mineral oil, which will turn it darker and give it a bit of a glow, which I plan to do. The slabs are machine cut in their workshops. However, a lot of the fine tuning happens on site. I think we're going to see that today. We've opted for soapstone on our counters, our backsplashes, our high shelf, and the sink. Greenville is making me a custom sink, so when you look down, you don't see stainless, you see black soapstone.
Are you nervous about the soapstone going on?
Well, I do wonder. I'm going to really try hard to be patient because I have an unfortunate eye that sees every little thing, and it drives me crazy if something's not perfect. But I'm sure it will be fine. Right, Jason? It'll be fine. It'll be great. So, you know what it is about this? When you stand here and you look at this corner, the edge of the counter doesn't line up with the edge of the cupboard. Has to. I want this edge to line up with this edge, and right now it doesn't line up. Okay, well, we're gonna just compromise and get as close as we can so it still does what it needs to do. Michelle, there's only one way to do it, okay? And it's not a big deal. There's a ½ inch overhang here and a ¼ of an inch here, but when they cut it back, it's gonna be perfect. You'll see, you'll see. I'm not crazy. Yep, but I can tell you what, it's 100% better.
I know.
100% better.
Would you like me to bring you some aspirin?
We're decorating. We're finally at that stage. Candace is here. We're going to go through the house together and make some key decisions. Candace Thompson works in our design firm. She's great at research, and I've asked her to research light switches, dimmer switches, toggle switches, exotic things. There's a lot to know. A lot's changed in the last few years, and so she's up on it. Look, here's the problem. This bulb, it doesn't cast enough light. I love this. We're going to use it somewhere. You know, it's taken me 6 months to find a sconce I like for in here.
Yeah, I know.
I've shown you the pictures of 1,000 sconces. Sconces, oh, sconces. I'm over-sconced, by the way, in this house. That's a whole nother topic.
Look, oh, there we go.
When you put it up, no, you do not.
Oh my God, it's not good.
That's terrible. It's like an operating room.
Not the look we're going
not
for.
Not gonna work. It's so cute, though.
It's so cute. I think it'd be great in the powder room.
We'll
it's the
try
perfect scale.
So we're supposed to use these for the mudroom. They just arrived. Finally, the Thomas O'Briens. I love them, right?
They're so pretty.
I think they're great in here.
So you want to use them in the kitchen?
Yeah. I want to get Louis to get up on his ladder and show us. You know, the most important quality in an electrician, besides being licensed and knowing what they're doing, is patience.
When they're working with you.
Well, yeah, because when you're over-sconced, you have to be flexible.
It's a pretty finish.
Oh, that's good in here. It's better than the black.
It's so pretty.
Okay, we're going to do this.
Done. 6
Done.
months of searching, finished.
Can you put 3?
Let's do it.
Let's do it. And the wires are not going to show. Those wires,
No, I'll pull this right in.
you pull it right in.
Definitely.
Okay, one
just for fun.
Can you show us on that wall too, Liz, please? This is ugly.
So, how many months have you
Yeah.
been eating?
Do you want me to make you a hot dog?
Sure. Love hot dogs.
You want cheese on it?
Sure. This is like a
dogs
Michelin
for
star
lunch.
restaurant.
So, how many weeks, months have you been researching toggles and switches?
It's been on and off, let's say 4 months. I found that there's a lot of information out there. There's a lot of pretty toggles and dimmers and outlet covers and all that sort of stuff. So this is the Buster and Punch dimmer switch. This is obviously the One Gang. They remind me of a recording studio. They're very pretty, they're very tactile, and they come with their own screws for here. Everything's been thought out. You can customize them. I can walk you through the online process because I'm an expert now. I gotta say, I'm not 100% sold.
Remember we talked about a branch?
Yeah.
2 branches that had leaves that light up?
Yeah.
Kind of decorative?
Pretty,
You
but
want
it's
a
different kind of
branch
pretty.
with leaves that light up.
Yeah.
Well, good luck on that.
AVs going in. TVs.
Yeah, talk about that.
TVs. I love television, so does Michelle. And I really wanted the Frame by Samsung, and I wanted sexy TVs all through the house, and we've got them, and they're gonna go in today. This is very cool.
I know you'll be here all day.
So what?
Good select, good select.
I waited a year for this. Right now, I'm scrolling through the Samsung offerings of art screensavers to find something that looks good with this room. Just give me another minute. Okay, I'm gonna do the giraffe. Okay,
That looks nice.
that's nice. It's an apartment-sized armoire, they call it. And I thought the cane was a great idea because it goes with the room and it breathes, so it would give ventilation to the equipment. And then it arrived, and George pointed out to me that it's basically transparent. And when the lights come on with the equipment, it's not gonna be pretty. So we're gonna line it. We're gonna get linen or some paper or fabric in the same color as the cane. We're gonna line it, and that's gonna solve the problem, I hope. Maybe it would be sexy to see the lights flashing through the cabinet.
Disco dance party.
Yeah.
And what's happening here today?
Meeting with the electrician, walking through any deficiencies or what's still left to order, and testing out wall sconces and seeing what works and what doesn't. So lots is happening.
Look at that, eh?
Well, I don't want the shade up there. It's so ugly.
What's gone wrong that's kind of funny, or?
I think lots has gone wrong.
That's a terrible light bulb. We can't have that light bulb. Okay, that is awful. It's terrible. You know the old-fashioned ones that have filaments inside? That's what I want.
But I will say it's kind of a miracle that the amount that gets right.
And what's going to happen? Am I going to consume all the Earth's energy?
Yeah, you're gonna consume a lot more energy.
That's not good. I have to be conscious of the Earth and everything, but
Yes, you do.
I know. Okay. Candace has also looked for new wallpapers and fabrics in the William Morris School, so that should be fun to see. All the hard stuff is done. Now we're into the soft stuff. So this is the book that I should be looking at?
Yeah, so this is the William Morris Ben Pentrith recoloring. This is the original William Morris collection.
Look at the difference.
And so you can kind of start to compare this old colorways and
Yeah.
then this new sort of fun.
You know, I like the old ones also.
I know.
So your preference, though, is in general, you like the recolored versions?
I love these.
Because they're fresher.
I love, look at that.
That's
I love that.
fantastic. You know, we used Benjamin Moore's Louisiana hot sauce.
Yes.
So I bet you pulled that out because you were thinking
I
of
thought
that.
it might be a good match.
Ooh,
I love this.
That would work.
Jillian and I looked at this and we
I think
thought
that's
this is
my
the one.
favorite so far. How good is that?
That's perfect. Yep, that could work.
Oh. Oh. Oh my God, it's like meant to be.
What do we say? Approved?
Approved. Okay, that is so beautiful.
C'est parfait.
Love, love, love. I love all these fabrics from Lee Joffa and Mulberry I love, but they're classic traditional English country. These feel fresh.
They're fun.
And I think we should do the house, all the fabrics in the house from his collection. These colors are fantastic.
I know.
Against the wood,
Personal favorite.
love
that.
that.
Come on.
Love that. We have the most beautiful views, and eventually I will learn how to open my doors. Let's see if I can do this. They're complicated because they're 3-point locking, which is a good thing. Okay, well, it's not quite time yet for me to be showing you the view. It's pretty windy and it's cold, but spring is coming. Ugh. I was warned about the wind off the lake.
That's windy. That's really windy.
That's really windy. I don't like snowstorms. I don't like wind, but I love the house.